Rainforest is a place full of tall and dense trees which receives heavy rainfall. It covers less than 3% of Earth but is a home to more than half of the world animal species. There are two types of rainforest: tropical rainforest, temperate rainforest. It has four layers. Emergent layer is the topmost outer layer. Only tallest trees reach here. Creatures live here include some insects, birds, butterflies, bats, small monkeys, and snakes. Canopy is the second layer. It is like a roof and stops rain. Animals like sloth, monkeys, frogs, birds, and lizards live here. Understory. This layer includes vine and other thick vegetations. Frogs, snakes, butterflies, and birds live here. Last layer is the forest floor. It is dark and dense. Only 2% of sunlight reaches here. It is a hunting ground for jaguars, gorillas, leopards, tapirs, tigers, and elephants. Rainforest is essential for living beings because it recycles fresh water. It helps produce rain. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen, thus helps prevent global warming. It produces a lot of food like pineapple, coconut, banana, and other food items. Unfortunately, land of rainforest is being taken up by government and destroyed by logging and mining. Somewhere rainforest is being replaced by new cities and buildings. Among all the animals live in the rainforest, three unique animals include spider monkeys, toucans, poison dart frogs. Spider monkeys are very large and like to hang upside down from trees. They look like spiders and run so fast. They eat fruits and seeds. Toucans are colorful birds with large beaks and small neck. They live in holes inside the trees. They eat seed, lizards, and small birds. Poison dart frogs. They have so powerful poison that each frog can paralyze and kill 100 people. To protect these animals and rainforest, government have to stop taking up the land for other uses. This is Fatima Fayyaz signing off.